Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami kebi bincho. Tinatet venikeno. So we use wa. Esiesi ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obe mwa. Je na ko try she.
Thank you, Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene, not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Hey there, welcome to J Ghana TV Entertainment segment. J Vibes, Nikki is my name. Please do not forget to press the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Please, that is very necessary. I beg you, if you're watching me and you've not done that, please go back and then please subscribe. That is very necessary. And also the notification bell so that any content that we drop, you wouldn't miss at all. You understand? As you can see, I'm glittering and glowing. It is all glit and glow. Yeah, glitter and glow products. So please make sure you get one for yourself and also for the family. And when it comes to organic foods, it is Janelle Organics. Yeah, Janelle Organics. Please make sure you get one for yourself and for the family in order for you to live healthy. You understand? And then we have percocet powder, fufu powder, granule paste, everything. So please, when you need organic foods, then kindly go to Janelle Organics. Okay, it is now time for us to vibe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that I've taken my seat, so you all should get ready for me. You understand? Let us vibe. Okay, so currently on God, Shatta Wale, yes, as you all know, he went on his knees. You know, Shatta Wale is not somebody who easily goes on his knees. But then this time around, humility dropped. Yes, he went on his knees to apologize to an event sponsor. Well, there was a program, Hogbe Beach Rave in Chebi, Volta region, and Shatta Wale was the main artist. He was supposed to be there to make the program more jamming. And you know, fans were waiting, but then Shatta Wale never showed up. He never showed up. So currently there was a meeting that went on, and then the sponsors together with the organizers, they were talking, and then Shatta Wale was right. There was a gathering, but it wasn't necessarily because of the events that went on. So it's like they were talking, and then this issue popped up, and Shatta Wale had to apologize. Let's take a look at the video.
Become the brand ambassador and do more stuff. So that is why we're here, you know, in all humility, and also to say, look, it's unfortunate what happened. Let's just, you know, look at the way forward and all that. But of course, I'll let the man himself speak.
Well, thank you so much for that. Before I was telling you,
At least in the love, you show that, you know.
No. I beg.
That's not the reason we all this meeting.
I just want to be sincere.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, James, with you. I know how it's difficult.
Yeah, so as you saw for yourself, Shatta Wale went on his knees to apologize to the executive director of Total Family Health Organizations and the brand owner of Ebony Condoms. Yeah, he's called Joseph Ado. So Shatta Wale humbly went down to apologize. That is not much expected of him, but as you can see, well, it didn't take long. Shatta Wale actually came out to explain things to Ghanaians, the reason why he was not able, or he failed to perform at the Hogbe Beach Rave in Chegbi, the Volta region. Okay, so one of the organizers said that it is interesting to note that Shatta Wale had shown up at the concert venue in vehicles rented for him and his team by the organizers, yet no one could find him. He was not found afterwards. And also, one of the organizers went on to say that all efforts by the two managements to get the artist on stage seemed to be fertile. So it's like he refused not to be on stage. He refused not to perform that day. So Shatta Wale actually came out to explain to people, and this is what Shatta Wale said. He was like, he was driven directly to the radio station for an interview, of which he had an agreement with organizers that he would not participate in such arrangement or even greet any chief. He added that one of the organizers threatened to withhold his accommodation if he fails to grant the interview, and that was when he took off. So it's not like Shatta Wale deliberately didn't want to perform that very day, but it was due to some things that went wrong. That is why Shatta Wale didn't perform that very day. And then I wish you guys could see the video for yourselves. The scene that happened there was very bad. You know, the fans got disappointed, and then some other people too attacked the organizers by pelting stones and destroying their gadgets. It was just so mad. Just imagine you wanting to see Shatta Wale, and then he doesn't appear there. So that's what happened. So it's like fans got disappointed, and then they had to start stoning the organizers and destroying their gadgets. You understand? So that is what happened. Okay, so new image of Dumelo breaks the internet. Oh my God, take a look at this picture. Take a look at it. Like, take a very good look at it. Who is this man looking like? Yeah, I can see some people saying Mahama. Yes, this man is really looking like Mahama. Like, and so Obi Catcher say or say Mahama, because in fact, so who say Obi Catcher say John Dumelo, you wouldn't believe. Like, he's really looking like John Dramani Mahama. He's really looking like him. And others too are saying it's making him look old. He's looking very old. Yeah, let me read some comment sections trending on social media. So one guy was like, I can tell most ladies like Duno. Yeah, it was a girl. I can tell most ladies like Duno. When you take off your mustache, it makes you look older. So yes. So so that is what she's trying to say, that she knows most ladies like Duno. Yes, most actually he's a nice man, so probably what do you expect? But this time around yes, all because he has taken off his mustache and then he's looking older. Okay, maybe it's because it's his first time. It is something he doesn't do usual. So maybe that is why we are seeing to look older. Because for this one day, well, many people are saying he looks a lot like Dramani Mahama, which is not surprising because after all, they are all members of NDC. What you say? So if they are looking the same cry and you can even say they are brothers. So yeah, other people are also like, tell your beard gang boyfriends to shave their beards, and most of you would leave the relationship. In conclusion, Shatta Wale isn't ugly. He just likes to shave his mustache. So we're from Shatta Wale. We are talking about John Dumelo. So we're from Shatta Wale right now. Ghana for them we ain't anymore. Like nobody is saying Shatta Wale in whole time. Oh, like Obia Ghana ebi ain't shame to man. Akwe se ope wa sembia kana say. What should have a boss Shatta Wale dian frame. We are talking about John Dumelo. Shatta Wale so e den na obo ni din frame. Ebi ain't shame today amunja isa. Okay, so yes, that is all. So other people are also saying that Ose Mahama and they fine. The Yana says he has changed his looks, and he's others are saying he's looking old. I'm saying he's looking old because you didn't know, say this is John Dumelo. He has really changed. Like he has really changed. Others are saying say the economy is hard. That is why he's growing and gray hair, blah blah blah. Yes, that is what people are saying. Okay, so I'd bring my entertainment to an end, J Vibes to an end. This is J Ghana TV entertainment segment, and please guys, always don't forget to press the subscribe button. Do not forget that is very necessary, and also the notification bell, so that anything that we drop like sharp, you'd be the first to be notified. You understand? Nikki is my name. Stay tuned. Goodbye.
Sorry. Oh, Doc. Yes, and you walk, Doc. I want to know your thing. Who knows why she I've said, do I need to no, see the young cook. So, your stomach was out, said the young. Had been so as I become. And then crying, meaning said, if you are forcing I don't know.
Test results naturally say when you malaria will emoji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Famano nano hobetono.
Malake, anything I take to Mac. I'm on my free.
Tinatet Malake eyema obi a wanya malaria fever. Ena Tinatet Tomac mixture eyema obi a wanya indigestion.
Yenhwehwemu hu se wanya malaria and sana wafa aduro.
Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.